A tiny kitten cries on the street. A kind hero stops. Bright red-blue stripes, official crest, and Nike quality. He gently lifts her, heart first. Comfortable fabric moves easy. Sporty, casual style, ready for every good deed. They arrive at Cat Town. So many happy whiskers. Authentic football apparel built to last, just like kindness. Mom and kitten reunite. Pure joy. Official club logo shining bright red and blue celebrating with them. Night falls. Messi and every cat dance around the fire. Smiles everywhere. Choose joy. Wear the colors you love.